Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, The Moment a Woman Realizes the Sovereign Citizen Rhetoric Doesn't Work by Bodycam Watch.
On July 18, 2025, an officer conducted a traffic stop for an expired tag on a Jeep Wrangler.
10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galusia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
I cannot be an officer because I would have been looking at that ass the whole time she was talking. See?
Okay.
Okay.
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is
Do you
expired.
have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now.
You have
So I'll
another
need your license.
supervisor?
You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or
Hey, look, this cop did not come to fuck around. You hear me? He is not for the games right now.
twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your
Call
information,
your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
no, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for
It's
your
upon
supervisor.
demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my
You're a
supervisor.
public servant.
You wait, because
You serve
you're
the public.
Okay. I got your public servant.
yes,
Cause your ass going to jail.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt
509.
anybody. I'm not.
526. Would you 56 me here?
That means meet him here for this arrest that's finna partake. Cause
Now
it's
I
finna
need your
happen.
license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So.
Your tag is expired.
I-
Come here, I'll show you.
No.
It's right
What
here.
tag? She know that damn tag was expired. You ain't gotta show her.
Stay here, don't move.
She can't go nowhere. She can't back out.
Expired vehicle registration. Driver license not valid. 2018. White. Jeep.
Oh, her driver's license is revoked. Oh, that makes it sound much better. Okay. Yeah.
So is this your Jeep?
Hell no.
It is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So.
Why is you driving somebody else's Jeep around with no tags?
It's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful.
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's
It's
illegal
le-
or lawful?
It's
You know the
legal, and
difference?
I'm not going to argue with
I'm
you.
not arguing, sir. I'm asking you. A
I'm
question.
asking you for your driver's license. You're driving your vehicle in the state of Florida, and
I'm
you are.
traveling. I'm traveling.
So you're going to
Traveling from where?
play that game.
No, I'm not playing any
Oh,
game.
yeah.
This is my freedom
Okay.
I'm talking
Yeah,
about here.
it is. And
And
sure,
we're talking about you.
my
as a-
my
as a
sergeant's on his
servant.
way, and
We're talking about you as a
my
public servant.
my sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to
and
him.
We can talk to him.
Yeah,
And I hope you know.
I hope you know.
She about to go to jail. I hope she know.
What you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
526. I'll be going 1097 East Bank.
Your ass going to jail. There goes what you wanted, the sergeant. See if this makes a difference.
Back out real quick.
Not right now. I'm on a call, so as soon as possible. Though I won't hold you up long.
Boy, you can get the fuck out of that parking spot. Hell no. I know you lying. Do you know how much space you got? It ain't no cars next to you.
Back out real quick.
Wow. My daughter could get out of that parking spot, bro. Come on, bro.
Not right now. I'm on a call.
Come
so
on, bro.
As soon as possible. Though I won't
And you got cameras.
hold you up long.
Fuck out of here. I would have arrested his dumb ass. You going to jail. You going to jail.
Tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license, registration, or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Hi. Good. How you doing?
You traveled to jail, pretty much.
So I'm the day shift supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I?
Well,
am I breaking?
apparently you're
What law is that?
Let him talk.
License and registration.
That has nothing
Okay,
to do
1015.
with because Are you?
You asked for the supervisor. He said he not finna do these games with you. He just finna take your ass to jail.
You're under arrest.
Okay. For
No.
what? Why are you arresting me? Is your
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
wow?
This,
Please don't.
this isn't.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
Hey, look, whole time she was asking for the supervisor, and he a bigger than the other guy was.
This is not even my car. I did not.
It's getting told. She gotta be dumber than a box of rocks to be traveling. If she traveling, you traveling through the states without your shit being good. Come on now.
This is crazy.
Come on, man.
I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
I bet you will ask for the supervisor again with your dumb ass. See, and that's why I couldn't be a cop. I would have been like, see, you asked for the supervisor.
526, 1015.
What is this place?
Jail.
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is kidnap.
Step into the cell.
Step into the cell. Pick one. Any, many, mighty, mo. Which jail cell do your ass want to go?
Step into the cell.
Why step into there? Why are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting you in here?
Yes.
Oh, you think it's a game?
Why do you think I'm putting you in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
She can't be this slow.
Wow. This is absurd.
What you to do is provide your driver's license
She probably ain't even had
I
one.
don't have a driver's
or an ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
What the fuck type of cuffs is those?
And we'll see that on camera. So,
Face the wall.
can someone come in here to speak with me?
She was charged with driver with a suspended. I knew this license was suspended. Driver with expired tag and resisting without violence. Cause she knew she wasn't supposed to be driving. That's why she didn't want to give up that driver's license.
I need to know about.
That thing thinking back there though. I will say that you could have asked me for a ride. Shit. Get comfortable, babes. You need me to come get you out. I come get you out. Man, what the hell is he doing? Instagram date. See, that's why I don't be dating nobody from the internet. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Layla, I will be reacting to your video tomorrow. I got you, babes. And that's it, baby. We out.